Meet the Nexgrill Deluxe 4-burner propane gas grill with searing side burner, the dual energy grill for every kind of cookout. With a simple battery-operated electronic ignition, you turn on the gas, turn on the knobs, and we're in business. Up to 63,000 total BTUs of fire roasting energy means quick, convenient, controlled heating. While 614 square inches of cooking space provides plenty of room for exploration. Long-lasting matte finish porcelain cast iron cooking grids deliver reliable performance and easy cleaning. Beneath the cooking surface, 4304 grade stainless steel main burners heat food evenly, while a 15,000 BTU searing side burner sears food to juicy perfection, delivering restaurant caliber sear marks every time. Depending on your taste, this 4-burner easily converts to natural gas with a Nexgrill natural gas conversion kit. And when grill time's over, an included premium grill cover will protect your Nexgrill until the next cookout. Meet your next grill, the Nexgrill Deluxe 4-burner propane gas grill with searing side burner.